welcome to Draw with B. Today we are doing a cat in a stocking. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the stocking part. I'm going to go down and around and all the way up, just like this. Join them together. Then what you can do is just even out the shape. Make it look just like that. The little loop for the stocking. Then what I'm going to do is this little pussycat's face. We're going to do a little round curved line there, curved line there. We've got two ears, so we've got 1, 2, just like that. Join them in the middle here. Then what we're going to have to do is some whiskers. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 little eyes, 1, 2, little nose, and a smiley little face, just like this. And then we're going to have 2 gorgeous little paws that are going to go 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. How cute is that? Next, what I'm going to do with this little pussycat is draw the lines of the stocking that this little pussycat is sitting inside of, and another little striped line in there. You can do whatever patterns you like on your stocking. That's the beauty of these amazing Christmas drawings. And any drawing, in fact, you can make it look however you like. There we go. I think he looks pretty cute. You can colour his eyes in. I'm going to fast forward this bit and go through all of the colouring in. So please pause the video if you need some more time, and I will see you back soon. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed colouring in your little pussycat in this amazing Christmas stocking. I am going to add some detail now to this stocking just by adding some patterns here with some silver marker, just to make it extra special. Now you can do whatever patterns you like on your Christmas stocking. You could do stars or hearts or anything. I love him. I think he's so super cute. I hope you've enjoyed colouring in and drawing this amazing Christmas kitty with me today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends happy Christmas drawing, and I'll see you soon. Bye.